Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video I am going to show you how to blur out an object in Shotcut Video Editor. It's a very easy technique that requires just 3 filters. If you haven't used Shotcut before and you want a beginner tutorial on Shotcut so that you'll be able to keep up with this tutorial, I have one in this channel and you can click on the link above or in the description below. Here I am in Shotcut and I have a photo in my timeline. We are going to start with a very basic example. So I want to blur out the word Shotcut on this Shotcut logo. First I'm going to select the object or photo in my timeline, click on filters, and I'm going to add 3 different filters to this object. The first filter is mask simple shape. Head over to search and then search for mask simple shape. Here it is, click on it. Next I am going to add blur box. Search for blur, and here I have blur box. Finally, I will add mask apply. Search for mask, and there it is. So I have mask simple shape, blur box, and mask apply. I will then select blur box and then increase the height and the width to create the blur. And there you see a blur in the middle of the preview section. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a blur there. But the blur is in the middle of the screen and that's not where I want it. I want it here, just right on top of this shortcut. I'm going to have to move it to this position. To do that, select the mask simple shape filter, and down here within operation, you can select how you want to apply the blur. I have override as the default. Next you have maximum. Maximum applies the blur to the entire screen. Minimum, just the portion of the screen, just the way it is applied only in the middle right now. Add is similar to maximum. And subtract, when you want the entire screen blurred out but a portion of it. Within shape, you can select the shape you want the blur to be. I have rectangle, ellipse, triangle, and diamond. Go with the one you prefer. I am going to go with rectangle. And down here is where I can control the position and size of the blur. With horizontal, you can move the blur within the horizontal axis, that is between left and right. With vertical, you can move the blur within the vertical axis, that is between the top and the bottom. So I'm going to move the blur right under the shortcut by increasing this. That's it. And then use the vertical to place it on top of the shortcut. Just a little adjustment and that's it. You can see that the blur does not cover the word shortcut completely. I can still see the letters S and T. Down here I can increase the width of the blur to make it wide enough to cover the remaining parts. Just a bit, and that's it. With height you can control the height of the blur. Now this is how to add a blur to an object in Shotcut. This is just an image. Adding a blur to a video can be a little bit tricky, especially if there's a lot of movement. You have to monitor what you want to blur out frame by frame, tracking its movements and making sure the blur stays on top of it. I have this video for example, and I want to blur out the face of this man right here, so I will have to track the face. Split the video at the point where I notice the blur is moving away from the face and adjust the blur accordingly. When I preview this, that's fine. That is how to add blur in Shotcut. If you want to learn more about Shotcut, I have a beginner's video on this channel. Click on the link above or the one in the description. If you want more Shotcut tips like this, please support this channel by liking this video and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.